What is going on, guys? This is Riyad here again with another platform tutorial, and today we're going to continue our main menu, and we should start off by fixing actually the error that we have got. It's not actually an error, but it's more like a glitch or something, but whatever. All you need to do is actually, so remember this code, you just need to actually paste it in the bottom of this if statement. Right, so if I have deleted the old one where it says if keyboard check released PK enter, then do that. Alright, so paste it in the bottom of the code, and also and then paste this after this one, okay? Because if we have put that in the very beginning of the piece of code, then it will execute, and then it will choose one of those if statements to do them next, and we don't want that. And I've also added an option for the connect menu, because that for the client menu actually, and it's connect. It's actually very obvious. Of course, we need this function, and here, where is it? Client. Okay, so if current index equals 2, which is the connect option, then we're going to create the client and then destroy the object. And we actually need one more we need actually one more option for the server options, and it's gonna be so wait, I need to change this to 7, and this should be friendly damage. Alright, of course we need to change this too, so let's say 5, or this 5 and 6, okay? And then, or wait, so first it's gonna be on, or wait, so when we start the game, this should be actually off when we start the game. Let me just see the current friendly damage. Well, it's actually put it false, right? And in the step event, let's go back to the server options, and here we're gonna say if current index equals 5, which is the the friendly damage. So global.friendly damage equals not global friendly damage. If I type it correctly, no, of course I didn't. Friendly. Okay. I just type it wrong twice. Good. Alright, and here we're going to switch the text of well, this is the server menu. I think it's 2. Alright, 2, and the text here is 5, I guess. Yeah, 5. What am I doing? Okay, that was weird. Or wait, we actually need to switch this. Right, so case let's say false, which is by default. Then in this case text gonna be off, right? And this would be break, and case true, then you gotta switch the text to true or on. I say alright, that's all I need to do. Okay, and let's see how it's going to work. Wait, one more thing we need to do, and that's well, So here I want to draw the main menu. So if current menu equals 0, and draw set align center. Go. Okay. Else this will be right. Alright, so now let's go back. Let's actually run the game. Come on. Right, so this is the right. It didn't work. But for now, when we press the space key or enter key, we don't have this, this problem with the menus. And oh, did I close the game? But whatever. Since we are here, I'm going to switch the global server type. Alright, so we're gonna change the string of the server type. Let me just see which one is his. Server type 2.1. Alright. Oh, okay. Now case survive case deathmatch, team deathmatch, right? So this is gonna be by default, and now the text is gonna be survive mode, and then we'll break the if statement, or should I say the loop. God, the switch statement. Right, so in this case it's gonna be deathmatch. Okay, and here team deathmatch. Alright, now we need to go back to the client, or the player should I say. Where is it? Here, player. Now in the collision with the bullet, so yeah, first let's say here if global friendly damage, in this case we will not check for the ID of the bullet, else if not then we're going to see if well, we're going to see if other.id is not equals my team ID, if I'm not wrong with the variables. Let me just see the name of the variable. I think it was my team ID or something. It's actually here when we spawn a player, or not here. It's team ID. Alright. Not equals team ID, then in this case the player will receive damage, so we're just gonna copy that. Okay. And well, wait a second. Oops, wait, this should be friendly damage. Okay, so here, okay, else. You know what, we actually should go back to the receive data script, and in the spawn wait, so here, if the server is not team deathmatch, then both I mean every player will have the same team ID, which is gonna be well, let's just set one as team ID. Alright, so this is very important, unless it won't actually work. But let me just make sure we're not destroying the bullet when it collides with the player. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Now let me just see what's the problem with the if card 28 equals 0. Oh, so actually we need to delete this. Alright, so I'm going to press F5 again. So I'm going to run a client from here. Okay, I'm going to run the client just to test the friendly damage. So this is the old client, and I will run the server from here. So first I'm going to change my name. Okay, and I'm going to create a server. Okay, now for now we can just create the survive mode, and for the friendly, oh god, wait, what happened? Oh yeah, so okay, wait a little bit. So now the port, it should be 4, 5. Okay, so we're inversing the last two. Should go back here. This should be 4. This one is 5 for the creating the server. So I'm going to just paste it here after the friendly damage option. Alright, so I'm going to quickly run the game again, and for the moment I'm going to change this player name. Okay, to join server. Alright, come on. Right, and here just change my name, and here I'm going to create server. Alright, so this is working fine. Survive mode. Oh, we're not seeing the friendly damage text. Oh, wait, integrate server, spawn player, and connect from here. Whoops. Okay, wait a second. I'm going to try to shoot this player. Oh, so wait, so right now you can't see the wait. Oh, this should be 4, I guess. Yeah, it should be 4. Yep, so that was actually the problem. Come on. Alright. Seriously. Wait, I still can, wait, there's something wrong with this variable. Let me just well, there should be actually friendly damage. It's 2, 4. Okay. Oh, well, we actually need to delete this for now because, yeah, so that's why it wasn't working. Finally. Okay, hopefully it will. Oh yeah. So now the friendly damage is off. On. Alright, so I'm leave it as off. Let's spawn a player. Okay. Now get away. Okay, I'm going to connect from here. Spawn a player. Let's see if I can well, it's still working. Wait, I think oh. Well, I think this should be oh, no. Wait, so in this case the friendly damage is on. So you don't need to check for the team ID here. Oh, yep. So let's actually go back to the received data script, or actually there is yeah, so here when we spawn a player, well, so here we're gonna add another else and if statement. Okay, let me just change the font here. Alright. So just leave this as a socket. And here we're gonna say if wait, this is gonna be a bad idea. Oh, actually, it will be fine if we just. I think that we have an ID for the monster, don't we? Yeah, so the ID from the monsters is -1. So his bullet is have the ID of -1. So it's basically, we're just going to say if other ID equals, well, first we're gonna say if global server type equals survive, right? Because this is just going to work in the survive mode. So if the other ID not equals or equals -1, then we're going to do that. Else, here we're gonna say if ID not equals not equals team ID. So for every other mode, so if we have a team deathmatch, if the friendly damage is on, alright, and we are not in the survive mode, then in this case, if the bullet ID is not as our team ID, then you know, we're going to apply damage for the player. And one more thing we need to do, and that's when we create a bullet, where is it? Yeah, so this should be team ID. Okay, yeah. So now I'm going to press F5 again, hopefully for the last time. And so it's gonna be the client. The server. Okay, so I'm going to create a server here. Join one, spawn a player. Alright, so now bullets are passing through the player that is not with since the bullet ID is not as the monsters, then it will not actually hit our teammates. So in this case, but yeah, so the monsters can still always, you know, hit us. And yeah, so that was all for today, guys. Don't forget to like or subscribe, and actually don't forget to comment below which is the type that you wanna see for the next mode. And yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. Peace.